Mallorca has had different cinemas and venues enabled for the projections of film throughout the century. The most important rooms were the Teatro Principal, also called Canguixo, in the street Montaña number 15, the Coliseum Teatro, in the street Assalto number 2, Campolot and the emblematic Cine Monte Carlo, in the street Capità Perio number 14, which was inaugurated on November 1957. On that same day there was a fire. Thankfully, there was nobody injured, and after 8 days it could be put into operation. Career of success began. Cine Coliseum is actually driving a school Cancelia. When people knew for the first time that there will be a cinema, young people and older people began to say that there will be a screen of a size never seen in Mallorca. Before, the people also talked about the speakers. They say they were the best speakers in the history of cinema.